everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to make this animated travel intro video with text and image revealing effect. So let's get started. Go to Canva and open the video project. Insert your image and replace it as background. Now let's make the title. Go to text, add text and write Paradise here. Change font and resize and adjust the text in the middle. Change font color and add effect to the text. Then go to Elements and search for airplane. We select this one in the graphics. Rotate it 90 degrees. Increase its size and place it in the middle. Now go to Shape and add square shape. Resize and place it as shown. Add one more square and rotate it a little and cover the wings of the plane. Change color of all squares. You can choose any color you want. Stretch the square to the right. Now select aeroplane and bring it to front. Group all the squares and aeroplane. Move it to the left until the airplane is no longer visible. Duplicate the page. Now on the first page, let's add some text. Change font, color and add effect. We adjust the timings of this text. Click Show Timing and adjust. Go to the second page and move the plane to the right. Now add transition. Select Match and Move and increase the duration to maximum. And that's it. Our travel intro video is ready with text and image revealing effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. See you next time.